Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now, we're going to come over here to plugins. And I do want you to understand what plugins are. So what plugins are basically essentially like apps. If you think of a cell phone, you have the cell phone, so think of your website as the cell phone. Now within the cell phone you can do all kinds of other things. So a cell phone can add, with apps, it makes your cell phone a lot more customizable. It gives a lot more uses. So plugins are pretty much the same thing. Just consider your plugins as apps. And then also we have appearance right here. We have themes, which is how you get the main theme of your website. And so I'll show you what themes are and show you some examples how to get themes, where to find premium themes versus free themes and all those different things. Customize. This is going to be the front end of your website. So this is when you edit the front end stuff, which I'll show you what that means. Widgets, will go through that. Menus, headers, will go through all this stuff. Tools, settings when you need to change things. Appearance. So what we're going to do is first we're going to clear out this pre-installed content that's on here. So we're going to go over here to post. And it's probably going to be a welcome post in here or something like that. That we're just going to get rid of because we don't need it for our website. So the default post that comes installed with your website is called Hello World. Now we're just going to throw that in the trash. All we do is check it and click trash. Okay, then what we're going to do next is we're going to come over here to plugins and just view the installed plugins, see what we already have on here. I'll let you know which ones that are worth keeping and which ones we can get rid of. Alright, so if you want, you can keep these. Google Analytics, this is fine. I would, Hello Dolly is not one you really need, so it's just deactivated. Now, there's activated and deactivated. When something is activated, that means that it's currently working, you have it installed. And if you deactivate it, then you still have it, but it's not actively, you're not actively utilizing it. Now, if you're not utilizing it at all, you might as well just delete it, but just deactivating it may be a solution for now. Jetpack, you can keep that. I don't really use opt-in monster that much. I will use a different one, so I'm just going to deactivate. I'm going to check this and then click deactivate. Now, when it comes to plugins, some is going to be about preference, because you're going to have a lot of different options for plugins you can install. And this just comes down to whatever one you like the best, or whatever one is the most useful for you. WP Forms will probably be one we may use, or I may use a different plugin, but we'll go through that later on. So I just wanted to see what content I can get rid of or need to get rid of, and so we've done that. And okay, so that's good enough for now. In the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to go over the plugins that need to be installed on your website.